Blazing Vibes auf Radio Rüsselsheim. Heute mit einer Live-Session mit Lava Vice Production und Color Color mit dem Album Steady Manny, was wir euch gerade promoten. Ein dickes Ding. So, Color Color still in any interview?
Yeah.
Yeah. We heard the tune Network, and next tune we will hear is a tune called Students. Can you tell us a little bit about this tune?
Student?
Student and Network, if you
Yeah.
want to.
Well, Network is a song where I formate it in terms of knowing that it's a network universally, you know. Internet, musical network, working network, you know, it's all these networks. Then I splice in the eyeglass them to go and look work. Cause we tired of the guys them just sitting on the corner not working. So I'm telling them go and look work. So it's a network, not a stress work. Send eyeglass to go and look work. Cause idleness will give the brain problems.
So, alright, and the next tune we will hear, as I already said, is a tune called Students. I mean, I already like the name, I'm a student myself.
Well, Student now is a song where I see what's going on in the world in general, you know. Kids not listen to their teacher and disrespect teachers in general. So I formate that song and start it slowly and then I get it together, you know. So student, you must listen to your teacher. Students, you must love your teacher. It's like a statement to all students in general, you know. Even we as big people, we are students still, you know. So we still have to listen to a bigger teacher, which is the Almighty, you know. So we all are students, but especially youngsters them, is a song mostly for them, you know. So they have to listen to their teacher.
So, alright. We don't care if you're young, we don't care if you're old. You all should listen to this tune.
Yeah. It's a universal song for all humanity, you know.
So, alright, and now we run it. Students, see everybody out there.
Yeah.